Hi, welcome to HSE Talks. In today's training, we will discuss HSE policy in detail. This session will help you understand what an HSE policy is, why it is important, and the key elements of an HSE policy, how to implement and enforce it, and last one, how to monitor complaints and ensure continuous improvement. A well-structured HSE policy protects workers, reduces risk, ensures legal compliance, and promotes a culture of safety and environmental responsibility. First, we can go through what is an HSE policy. An HSE policy is formal document that outlines an organization commitment to protect employees' health and safety, ensuring a safe working environment, preventing workplace accidents and illness. Last point, minimizing environmental impact. The policy sets clear objectives, roles, and procedures to ensure everyone understands their responsibilities in maintaining a safe and sustainable workplace. I will explain one example. For example, a construction company drafts an HSE policy stating that worker must wear personal protective equipment on site. Regular safety training will be conducted. Waste materials must be disposed of safely to protect the environment. This policy helps prevent injuries, reduces legal risks, and promote sustainable practices. Now we have to discuss about second point, importance of an HSE policy. A well-defined HSE policy benefits both employers and employees by reducing workplace accident and injuries, ensuring legal compliances with the HSE regulations, example OSHA, ISO 45001, HSE UK, enhancing employees' well-being and productivity, preventing environmental damage through responsible waste management, improving company reputation and the stakeholders' confidence. I will tell one example. An oil refinery without a proper HSE policy experiences frequent fires due to unsafe handling of flammable materials. By implementing a clear HSE policy, workers receive proper training, emergency procedures are improved, and accidents are significantly reduced. Our third point, key elements of an HSE policy. A strong HSE policy consists of three main sections. First one, general statement of intent, the organization's commitment to health, safety, and the environment. The second point is organization section, defines roles and responsibilities of management and employees. The third one, arrangement section, specific procedures for risk control, emergency response, and legal compliance. Let's discuss each in detail. First, general statement of intent. This is a brief statement from top management declaring the company's dedication to HSE principles. It includes a commitment to a safe workplace, compliance with the national and international regulations, continuous improvement in health, safety, and environmental performance. For example, our organization is committed to ensuring a safe, healthy, and environmentally responsible workplace. We will comply with the ISO 45000 and HSE UK guidelines implement risk management system, and continuously improve our safety culture. The second one about organization section. Define who is responsible for HSE implementation. This includes senior management, provide resources, appropriate policies, and ensure compliance. Then HSE managers develop policies, conduct risk assessments, and monitor safety performance. Supervisors enforce HSE rules, train workers, and report hazards. The last one, employees following safety guidelines, wear PPE, and report unsafe conditions. For this, I will explain through one example. A manufacturing company assign HSE responsibilities as follows. The CEO ensures compliance with the government regulations. The HSE manager conducts regular safety inspections. Supervisors monitor PPE usage. Workers report unsafe condition through a safety reporting system. This structure ensures that HSE responsibilities are clearly defined and enforced. So now we can talk about arrangement section, third section in the HSE policy. This section outlines practical measures for risk control and safety management. It includes risk assessment procedures, identifying and controlling hazards, emergency preparedness, fire drills, first aid and evacuation plans, etc. Accident reporting and investigation, ensuring incidents are properly documented and investigated. Safe work procedures, guidelines for high risk tasks, for example, work at heights, confined space. And last point, environmental protection measures, waste management, pollution control, and energy conservation. For example, a logistic company, including the following in its HSE arrangements. Drivers receive fatigue management training to reduce road accidents. Near miss reporting is implemented to prevent major incidents. Spill control procedures are in place to prevent environmental contamination. These arrangements reduce risk, ensure compliance, and promote a proactive safety culture. Now we can go through our fourth point, implementing the HSE policy. To be effective, an HSE policy must be properly implemented. This involves communication, display the policy in work areas, distribute copies to employees, and include it onboarding trainings. Then training and awareness, conduct regular safety training sessions and refresher courses. Then monitoring and complaints, conduct safety audits, workplace inspections, and performance evaluations. The last one, continuous improvement, like update policy based on incident reports, audit, and new regulation. If there is any risk assessment updations. So for more clarity, I will say through one example. A factory implement its HSE policy by training workers on machine safety and hazard identification. Conduct monthly safety audits to check compliance. Holding toolbox talks every week to discuss safety issues. This proactive approach reduces accidents and reinforces a strong safety culture at the workplace. So we can go through our last point about ensuring compliance and continuous improvement of HSE policy. In this point, a company must actively monitor HSE performance to ensure compliance and drive continuous improvement. Step to ensure compliance, there is some steps we have to focus. Conduct regular audits and inspections. Use key performance indicators like for KPIs example incident rates, training completion rates, investigate accidents and take corrective actions, encourage employees' participation in safety initiatives, review and update the policy annually. I will say one example. A chemical plant ensures compliance by tracking safety performance indicators. Example, number of incidents, PP complaints rates, rewarding employees who actively contribute to safety improvements, updating safety procedures after each accident, after each in the investigations, accident investigation. This approach ensures that the HSE policy remains relevant and effective. For this all the topic we were discussed about almost topic about HSE policy. First the point was what an HSE policy is. Second point, why it is important. Third point, the key elements of an HSE policy. The fourth one, how to implement and enforce it. And the last point, how to monitor and monitor complaints and ensure continuous improvement. So now we can go through about the conclusion of all the discussion points. A strong HSE policy is the foundation, as you know, of the workplace safety, legal compliance and environmental sustainability. Every organization should develop a clear and comprehensive policy, communicate and train employees on safety procedures, regular review, update and improve HSE practices. By following these steps, any business can prevent workplace accident, protect workers and create a safer and more sustainable work environment. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay informed and keep prioritizing health, safety and the environment. Thank you.